Hey, it's Gary Peplow. I can't believe it. It's busy down here in at Dana Point, and we're down here on Harbor Drive, and we found parking. How crazy is that? We found parking down here. So now I've already got permission. I've already talked to the city. I'm gonna go down and we're gonna see the Dana Point Monument, and then I'm gonna fly. How cool is that? So we give you some images of flying over Dana Point and the harbor, and of course the ocean. So let's just keep going.
Across the river from Liverpool, heave away Santiano, around Cape Horn for the Frisco Bay, way out in California. And it's heave her up and away we'll go, heave away Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, way out in California. With a fast clipper ship and a bonny good crew, heave away Santiano, and a down east Yankee for a skipper too, way out in California. And it's heave her up and away we'll go, heave away Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, way out in California. Back in the days of 49, heave away Santiano. Now those were the days of the good old time, way out in California. And it's heave her up and away we'll go, heave away Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, way out in California. And there's plenty of gold, so I've been told, heave away Santiano, plenty of gold, so I've been told, way out in California. And it's heave her up and away we'll go, heave away Santiano, heave her up and away we'll go, way out in California.
Hey, it's Gary Peplow. I'm gonna put my UAV up so you can see the harbor. It's really pretty. And then of course you get to see the breakwater and the inlets. But it's neat because I'm down here by the Henry Dana Monument, and that's where Dana Point is named after. But over here you can see boats coming up the inlet. Where are you? Lucky.
When I was young, I dreamed of sailing the sea. I would not take a wife, I would make the salt ocean my life. Then came the time to bid farewell to family and friends, and the harbor I knew, and the girl that had loved me for years. Out on the ocean, the rage and the glory of the wind and the wave and the sail. Times could get boring, so they tell us sea stories of creatures and mermaids of the sea. But to me they were lies, to scare the unwise. I would not believe things that were said. Sailing back home after long journeys at sea, it was there that I spied, on a rock sitting high, a maiden with long flowing hair. She was the fairest girl that I'd ever seen, with a beautiful smile and a shine in her eye no other could even compare. There to the starboard, oh Captain, I cried, is a maiden, and what's your mean? Oh my dear son, you are just making fun. Out there's just the sky and the sea. In total surprise, a second gone by, the girl was no longer seen. So into the harbors and taverns I searched everywhere for the girl that I'd seen. Was it only a dream, the one with the long flowing hair? Next morning came without any warning to me, as I rushed to make time for the castaway lines and return to the wide open sea. 8 knots or so and the wind starts a blowing, tied to the rigging are we. The bow takes a rise as the stern takes a dive, and the wash comes right over me. There's a wave and a crash and a rip fore and aft as the hull seems to break underneath. Taking on water in cabins and holes quick to fill. Man the pumps, I did cry, tear the sails from the sky, and don't throw the anchor until given our all in the fight with the raging blue sea. But I feel that we've lost, for the anchor was tossed and has pinned us right into the reef. Crew all now gone, and the mast lays over my knees. With my last breath and look, I see the maiden that took my ship to the depths of the sea.